Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my review on the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cream. So stay tuned to see my review. So let me know down below if you like that, where you speed through each day when I use it, or do you want me to do like a talk through or whatever. But I like music and speed through because I think it's more satisfying to watch. But let me know down below, and I will, the next review I do, I will maybe talk through what I'm doing or something like that if y'all don't like that way. But yeah, so I used it for a week, and I still have a lot of it left. And if you haven't watched my unboxing of this, it's from the influencer. I'll link down the video down below. But this is what it looks like, and I still have a lot left, so I'm gonna use it until it's over with. And if I see any more results before I'm done with it, I will make sure I say it in the empties video. But the instant results, because there's it says for 1 week you'll have instant results, which is glow and hydrate, which I think it did. Let me know down below where you see it. If you see it, then you'll see in the thumbnail the before and after. So let me know if you can tell anything, but when I look at myself, I could tell that I have hydration in my skin, and the redness went down on my cheeks because I do have a breakout from wearing the face mask. And it's completely toned down now, and I don't know if it's from this or something else, but This is good. And a little goes a long way, and you don't have to use that much of it. So if you do try this out, like a sample or something, you don't use that much. A little goes a long way. I only use about this much for my whole face. And if I do need a little bit more, I'll put like a tiny bit more. If I feel like I need a little bit more. And I put it down my neck as well, like it recommends. And I do this every night before I went to bed with my skincare. So yeah, as I was saying, I really love the results this stuff has given me. I really like any skincare that gives me glowy skin and tones down the redness in my skin, because I did have a little bit of redness right here. So let me know down below if you ever used this before and how your results would. I really love to read your results and what you have, and if you have any more results, if you used it more than I did. I'll use it for a week, but I'll tell you in the empties video when I get done with this if I see any other results of this product. I know if you use it for a while, it if you're older, it reduces wrinkles and gives you a younger appearance in your skin, which is amazing. But I only use it for a week, like I said. That's my review for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you ever used this before, like I said. Don't forget to subscribe to the Unicorn family and hit that bell icon so you're notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye!